Welcome to the month of March here at Lichtsinn RV, where we're only 1 mile north of the Winnebago Factory, based right here in Forest City, Iowa. Join us this month where the spirit of March Madness continues, where we'll be comparing Winnebago versus Winnebago, comparing features and usability across the different Winnebago models. And our van venture sale continues. Take advantage of these savings now and get our lowest price. Plus, for a limited time, get a free pair of foldable e-bikes on any new Winnebago Travato, Solus, or Solus Pocket purchase. Our last remaining true 4x4 Winnebago Revels are available now at Lichtsinn RV. The Winnebago Revel with on-demand four-wheel drive is available only while supplies last here at Lichtsinn RV. Take advantage of 2024 model year savings over the 2025 model year. The stock MSRP price of the 2024 Winnebago Revel is $218,282, and the 2025 Winnebago Revel, as stocked, MSRP price is $258,737. That's a $40,455 difference.
Hi, I'm Cody Likey, RV sales consultant here at Lichtsinn RV. Today we're going to review the Winnebago camper van lineup. Camper vans, otherwise known as Class B RVs, continue to be the top selling motorized class, bringing a number of newcomers to the RV market and making many seasoned RVers rethink the way they travel. Now let's compare camper van versus camper van. Let's start with the affordably priced gas-powered Winnebago Solus. The Solus is built on the Ram ProMaster chassis. The Winnebago Solus is available in 4 floor plans. The Winnebago Solus 59P and 59PX are each available with or without a pop top. The compact Solus 36A and 36B measure just 17 feet 10 inches in length. These compact, versatile floor plans allow you to easily navigate urban areas, yet are well equipped for extended season backcountry excursions. The Winnebago Travato is also built on the gas-powered Ram ProMaster chassis. The Travato is available in 2 floor plans. Each floor plan is available with the option of adding lithium power. The Travato's energy and fuel-efficient systems are coupled with streamlined features designed to keep you traveling even when the elements and the road are less forgiving. And, for a limited time, take advantage of our van venture savings on the Winnebago Solus and the Winnebago Travato. Plus, get a pair of foldable e-bikes, a $3,198 value, on any Winnebago Travato, Solus, or Solus Pocket purchase. And with any 59P Solus purchase, you will also receive an EcoFlow Wave 2 portable air conditioner and heater valued at $1,299. The Winnebago Roam Open concept is also built on the Ram ProMaster chassis. As the name suggests, the Roam introduces a fresh open concept design with the versatility and convenience of a compact camper van. The Roam is available with or without a pop top. The remaining Winnebago Class B camper vans are built on the Mercedes-Benz diesel chassis. The Winnebago Revel is known for its off-road performance and ability for extended off-grid stays. The adventure-ready Revel is available as a 4-wheel drive RV for the 2024 model year, and beginning with the 2025 model year, the Revel is an all-wheel drive RV. The Revel is available in 1 floor plan, the 44E, which includes a flexible gear garage and gear closet. As Ron mentioned, you can save over $40,000 with the remaining quantities of the 2024 4x4 Winnebago Revel. And finally, while supplies last, we have the 4-wheel drive Winnebago Bolt. The spacious Bolt 70BL floor plan features ample storage, making it the perfect blend of innovation and comfort. Contact myself or another Lichtsinn RV sales consultant to learn more about Winnebago Class B camper vans.
Hi, I'm Deanna Rodriguez, Lichtsinn RV sales consultant. Today I'm going to compare the Winnebago EKKO 22A versus the Winnebago EKKO 23B. The Winnebago EKKO 22A and the 23B are both Class C RVs that are designed for adventure travel, but do have some key differences. The EKKO 22A measures 23 feet in length with a 156-inch wheelbase, while the 23B stretches to 24 feet 6 inches with a 170-inch wheelbase. The EKKO 22A sits on a Ford Transit chassis, while the EKKO 23B has the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. The Sprinter chassis has a higher ground clearance, making the 23B better suited for rough terrain. The EKKO 22A floor plan can sleep up to 4 people with the pop-top option, while the 23B can sleep up to 5 with the pop-top option, and by also converting the lounge into sleeping mode. The galley area in the 22A and the 23B have a number of differences. The refrigerator in the 22A is located in the inline kitchen on the passenger side of the coach, while in the 23B, it is located on the driver's side of the coach between the lounge and the bathroom. The 22A includes a microwave oven, while the 23B has a microwave convection oven. The 22A has a 2-burner LP cooktop, while the 23B has a single-burner portable induction cooktop. The galley extension in the 22A can also work as a passenger side work table, while the counter extension in the 23B can be used to store the induction cooktop or for a storage drawer. The 22A features a dinette with a fold-down table for seating, while the 23B has a lounge area layout that includes a convertible lounge that can be converted 3 different ways, including the standard lounge with table, the side sofa with or without a table, and into sleeping mode. Contact myself or another Lichtsinn RV sales consultant to learn more about the Winnebago EKKO or schedule a live virtual appointment on our in-stock EKKO 22A and 23B.
Hi, I'm Kate Christensen, a Lichtsinn RV service consultant. At Lichtsinn RV, we are constantly working to improve our guests' experience. From our new dealership facility with an indoor showroom, dual guest lounge areas and expanded campground area, to a large parts shipping and additional service bays, you will experience the best at Lichtsinn RV. This investment in you, our guest, was recently broadened as we added 4 wireless column post lifts to our service shop area. These new lifts allow our team greater mobility and can be used for almost any size motorhome. This new equipment, along with our existing fixed position lift, allows our RVTI certified technicians to better serve your needs, increasing both the frequency and availability of services offered. Contact myself or another Lichtsinn RV consultant to learn more about the Lichtsinn RV service department and what we can do for your RV.
And that's the month of March at Lichtsinn RV. Wishing you all luck in your basketball brackets and wishing you safe travels from our Lichtsinn RV team.